We will be learning about how to change YouTube display language. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. So first of all, open the YouTube application on your device. Sign in to your YouTube account first of all, and then tap on profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now at the top right, you can see gear icon or the settings icon. Tap on it. Scroll down. When you see here, there is no any language option, so it is not possible to change YouTube display language directly from this YouTube application. So let's move out of it and go to the settings of your device. Then after that, you need to scroll down and tap on additional settings here, and on this additional settings tap on language and region, and here English has been set to default, so tap on edit of language, and here you can choose any language of your choice and set as default. So if you don't find in this way, at the top right corner there is the search icon. Tap on it and search for the language. Set Nepali as a default system language. If you want to say it, tap on yes, otherwise tap on no. So let's come back, and I have already set to Nepali as my default language. So when you change the language, your YouTube display language also will be definitely and automatically changed. So in this way, you can easily change YouTube display language on Android. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe, and press the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.